Ready for a whirlwind tour? Let's dive into 6 jaw-dropping architectural wonders around the globe. First stop, Taj Mahal. The epitome of love and beauty, this white marble mausoleum is a masterpiece. Next, the Eiffel Tower. Standing tall in Paris, it's not just an icon, it's an experience. On to the Great Wall of China. Spanning over 13,000 miles, it's a testament to human determination. Now, the Colosseum. Rome's ancient amphitheater is a marvel of engineering and history. Fifth, the Sydney Opera House. Its sail-like design makes it an architectural gem and a cultural hub. Last but not least, Sagrada Familia. Gaudi's unfinished masterpiece in Barcelona is a blend of Gothic and Art Nouveau. So pack your bags and get ready. These wonders are calling your name. Like and subscribe for more travel inspiration.